watch in effect through Friday afternoon. The National Weather Service in Mount Holly has expanded the flash flood watch to include portions of New Jersey and Pennsylvania, including the following areas: in New Jersey, Atlantic, coastal Cape May, coastal Atlantic, coastal ocean, eastern Monmouth, Hunterdon, Mercer, Middlesex, northwestern Burlington, Ocean, Somerset, southeastern Burlington, and western Monmouth. In Pennsylvania, Berks, Lower Bucks, and Upper Bucks. Through Friday afternoon, multiple rounds of showers and thunderstorms producing locally heavy rain will develop tonight through Friday morning. The ground remains saturated in the region due to the recent heavy rains associated with Tropical Storm EAS, and this will make it easier than usual for flash flooding to occur in areas that receive heavy rainfall over a short duration. Areas of flash flooding are expected, especially in urban and flood-prone areas. Small streams and creeks will also be susceptible to flooding, especially those that remain elevated from antecedent rainfall. A flash flood watch means that there is a potential for flash flooding which can be life-threatening. Heavy rain is expected to occur over a short period of time. Rapidly rising flood waters may quickly inundate roadways and areas of poor drainage. Streams and creeks could leave their banks, flooding nearby properties. Please monitor the forecast, especially if you live in a location that is prone to flooding. Be prepared to take action if a flash flood warning is issued for your area. Here is the latest. Pennsylvania, including the following areas: Adams, Columbia, Cumberland, Dauphin, Franklin, Julietta, Lancaster, Lebanon, Mifflin, Montour, Northern Lycoming, Northumberland, Cary, Schuylkill, Snyder, Southern Center, Southern Clinton, Southern Lycoming, Sullivan, Union, and York. Through late tonight, showers and thunderstorms are developing over much of central Pennsylvania this morning. Any of these storms could produce very heavy rainfall. This rainfall may lead to flash flooding. Areas that have received heavy rain earlier this morning and over the past few days are the most susceptible to flash flooding. The storms should continue into the afternoon and evening hours, but will be moving to the east late this evening. Review flood safety and preparedness information at weather.gov/safety/flood. The Harrisburg, Pennsylvania climate summary for you. The National Weather Service in State College, Pennsylvania has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northeastern Schuylkill County and central Pennsylvania, southeastern Columbia County and central Pennsylvania, until 11:15 a.m. At 10:09 a.m., a severe thunderstorm was located over Schuens, moving east at 25 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts. Source, trained weather spotters. Impact, expects damage to trees, roofs, and siding. Locations impacted include Tamaqua, Shenandoah, Mahanoy City, McAdoo, Hollandtown, Mifflinville, Alameda, Oneida, Grier City, Park Crest, Delano, Nuremberg, New Media, Shepton, Brandonville, Coaldale, Slabtown, Mainville, Schuens, SP, and Shenandoah Heights. For those driving on Interstate 80, this includes areas between the Bloomsburg Light Street and Muskoka exits, specifically near mile marker 237, and from mile markers 242 to 247. This includes Interstate 81 from mile markers 131 to 139. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 11:15 a.m. for the following counties: Columbia and Schuylkill. The National Weather Mount Holly, New Jersey has issued a flash flood warning for Berks County in eastern Pennsylvania until 10:15 p.m. Friday. At 4:05 p.m., Doppler radar indicated that showers and thunderstorms producing heavy rain were continuing to move into Berks County from the west and southwest. Close to 1 inch of rain has already fallen in spots. Flash flooding may begin shortly. Hazard, flash flooding caused by showers and thunderstorms. Source, radar indicated. Impact, flooding of small creeks and streams, urban areas, highways, streets and underpasses as well as other poor drainage and low-lying areas. Some locations that could experience flooding include Reading, Wyomissing, Birdsboro, Kutztown, Hamburg, Fleetwood, Sinking Spring, Laureldale, Womelsdorf, Wernersville, Topton, Robesonia, Leesport, Shoemakersville, Valley, Burnville, Bechtelsville, Lyons, Strausdown and Leonardsville. Additional rainfall amounts of 1 to 3 inches are possible in the warned area. Protecting yourself from immediate threats to life and safety shall take priority. Whenever possible, as long as it does not cause greater harm, all COVID-19 protective action guidance should be followed. Excessive runoff from heavy rainfall will cause flooding of small creeks and streams, urban areas, highways, streets, and underpasses as well as other drainage areas and low-lying spots. Repeating, a flash flood warning has been issued until 10:15 p.m. for the following county: Berks, Pennsylvania,